to another unboxing. Today we've got a nice surprise for this one. It is the box that I have in my hand. Right there you can see it. It's the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. I'm recording this on now is the original Canon M50. I currently have the Sigma 16mm 1.4 lens, which is great for this sort of talking head live stream type setup here. Nonetheless, we're going to show you what's in the box of a Canon EOS M50 Mark II. So here we go. We should get straight into it, shall we? We shall. Alright. Everything should be being seen from the top-down camera. The first thing we got is a warning sticker. Contains button, coin, cell, battery, which is a new thing. I've never had. I don't think I've had one of those in a box before, but I think that's new legislation here in Australia, at least. A little flyer brochure there, and the manual, of course, a getting started guide in numerous languages on the front here. All right, let's dig deeper. Opening the box. Now this is kit lens, which we shall have a look at in a second. Let's go with the cable for the charging. And on top here is the usual strap that you have when you buy a camera. Down the side here, I believe this is the battery. There's battery all sealed up in the bag. A couple more things here. There's something down the front here, which should be the pack for the battery. And we're getting less and less here. This will be the body. This is the M50 Mark II. We're going to pull it out of the plastic in just a sec, but last but not least, let's see what's the easiest way to get in here. Okay, this will come out. This will be the kit lens. We might start with the kit lens in the sense of unwrapping it. The rest of everything else in the box is just cardboard. Now this lens that comes with this is the 15 to 45mm kit lens. I believe it's the same kit lens that comes with the original M50. Let me have a look. Where is it? Okay, this is the one that came with the original M50. The one I'm recording on now. Yeah, it is also a 15 to 45mm. So it's the same kit lens basically. So now I have two of the same kit lens, but that's understandable because let's get the box out of the way and just explore the actual pieces that we have. Again, let's start with the lens. We'll pop that out real carefully. I like how that's rounded, shaped for. Let me pull that back there. For the lens to slot right in. That's pretty cool packaging. And then the lens is also in another plastic bag for protection. And there it is there, all capped up on both sides. Yes, it's pretty much identical to the one that I just pulled off the shelf behind me. Okay, let's put that there to drop everything else. Let's go to the main body now of the camera. The body of the M50 is pretty much identical in shape and look as the original. Well, the Mark II is the same as the original Mark I or the original M50. So when you look at it initially, it's going to look exactly the same. I can't show you what that looks like because it's the one that's doing the filming right now. But there it is there. It does look very similar. The M50 is a very compact mirrorless camera. So let's just put that there. We'll have a look at the other accessories here real quick, just to show you what they look like out of the plastic wraps. The charger for the battery. Seeing we're on the charger part, let's look at. Obviously, this is regionalised for whatever region you're in. I've obviously got the Australian plug because I'm in Australia, so that will come out, and it's your standard sort of two-prong port there, and then obviously a 2-pin version of the Australia plug, the diagonal plugs there. Look at that, top down camera. I'm not going to unravel that here, but we'll put that there. The strap, I'm going to leave the strap in there because I tend not to use the strap, so I'm going to keep that bagged and in the box. Finally, the battery, which is going to be useful, so let's pull the battery out. It would be the same battery, of course, as the original M50 because it's basically the same camera. So this is like your genuine Canon version of the battery. So it slots in like that and then charges away. Speaking of charging, I should probably put that on charge after I've done this. So there we go, the battery, the cable, the body, and the lens. We also have the strap that comes with it. As a recap real quick, and there's some documentation which includes the getting started manual, which will tell you how to put it all together. So I can show you how to, obviously you want to put the lens on the camera. The lens cap comes off there. There's another lens cap or cap on there where the sensor is. And basically, there's a dot right there. And it goes on and locks into place. Once it locks into place, you can feel it like click. And so, see what it looks like with the kit lens, and obviously there's a lens cap on here. There's a release mechanism right here to release that, and away you go. Now the M50 has a fully articulating screen, so you can place it forward if you're filming yourself like that. Like, let's do this, like that. If I'm doing like a vlog thing, I can see myself there. So it fully articulating out to the side, flips around and closes. I can also do that 360 and then push it in so the screen is facing out on a permanent basis as well. So you got that option as well. Let me just put that away like that. And yeah, that is the Canon M50 Mark II, much like the Mark I of the original. Some minor feature differences basically, so it's just on the internals. The externals are the same, there is no real difference there. What I need to do at some point is when I pull the camera out of here, which is recording me right now, is to maybe put them together with a side-by-side comparison possibly. We'll see how that goes. The Canon M50 Mark II. So hopefully I'll just angle it up for the top-down camera there. That helps you, tells you what's in the box. The kit lens, 15-45mm. The body of the Canon M50 Mark II. The battery, genuine Canon battery charger and cable, power cable for said battery charger. The camera strap for the traditional photographers, like carry their camera around their necks. And the obligatory documentation. Was Doug, and I'll catch you later.